filter. Nahirapan talaga ako magtanggal ng filter, guys. Shoutout sa inyo lahat. Good morning. So ito yung una kong ginamit. Nag-slide lang. Tsaka sobrang tigas. Tapos napabili ako ng filter belt type. Ito yung ginamit ko. Ayaw pa rin. Talagang ubos lakas ko. Ngayon nanghiram ako kay Umpoy. Shoutout kay Umpoy. Ayan. Universal filter. Maganda rin pala gamitin to. Pero nakipaglaban rin ako, ang tigas pa rin. Pero bandang huli ay nabuksan ko rin. Ayan guys. Ano? Ito. Na-deform na siya. Yung ginamit ko yung belt type na filter rinse. So I use the filter rinse belt type. So ayan. Baliktad yung pagka ko. Tapos tinuwid ko ulit. Ayan, na-deform siya. So ayan, so hindi pa naman ito black yung kulay ng niya, langis. So dito sa cooler ay brown or looks like coffee. Ayan, so yun po yung langis na drain. Water with ayan, tawagan ko na. Kaya na kamayin. Nahirapan na, umabot ako ng kahapon pa ako na ipaglaban dito sa na to. Filter, oil filter. Ayan, may laman pa siya. Ayan. Ay no, tigas. So ayan. Ayan. Drain lang natin yung filter. Tinakairam tayo ng universal filter. Di nabibil, mahal rin yun eh. Nasa 40 plus yata yun. So ayan. Yan po yung langis niya. Ayan. So tatanggalin pa natin yung itong siya, alin yata yan. Alin rin sa gagamitin. So ayan. Alright. Ay, success. Thank you. Salamat sa filter rinse na to. Yan o. Ito yung nakapagpatanggal. Deform talaga siya. Grabe. Good. So ito, bumili ako. Aray ko na lang binili ko. Aray ko ba? Tingnan natin yung parehas. Namin diameter niya. Ito kasi original pa to, hindi pa napalitan ng Ford. Ito replacement na lang yung ginamit ko. Okay. So ayan, tanggal rin. Okay, so I already removed the oil filter, guys. There's a thread here or bolt. I think that one is 12 mm hexagonal Allen wrench. So as of now I don't have tools for M12, so I buy in the market for that tools. So for the meantime, so I remove first the tank water reservoir. Here because the tank, this tank is, it was having a crack, you see. So ayan, there's a crack also in the other portion here. So I remove this one. See, it's already contaminated, mixed with oil. To remove this, there's a connection here, two hose, and then this one going to radiator there. We try this. To remove this, pull this one. It's hard. Try this, or we use the plier. And also this one, the mounting. I'll try this. Try this plier. It can fit. Okay. This one already removed. Another one. Try to loosen using hand. It's so tight. Loosen this clamp using flat screw. Kaya medyo malambot lang siya. Nagdaanin natin. Okay, so remove already the two connection, 3 connection. Then this one. All right, already removed. Yung puno ng langis, guys. So we will wait the inamaan tong ano. So we have to replace the reservoir and the oil cooler, then flashing. Good.